Google has been funding a lot of left NGOs. Now we come to the part where we understand, why does Wikimedia and Wikipedia have to be left-leaning? What is the motive behind it? Is Jimmy Wales ideologically motivated? एक तो हमारे जैसे लोग होते हैं, हम ideologically motivated हैं, तो हम जो information डालते हैं, it skews towards the Hindus or the Hindutva ideology and so on and so forth because we are ideologically motivated. But a millionaire like Jimmy Wales, is he doing this because he's ideologically motivated, or is he financially motivated? Now we have to go back to Google. Google has been funding a lot of left-leaning organizations under the radar. Now, in about, I think, 2018, till 2018, it was funding certain NGOs directly. But in 2018, Google thought that if I continue to fund these left NGOs directly under Google, from Google, as a company, as a entity, then Google's credibility also gets a little compromised, right? Because they will have to file the NGOs that they are funding in the US, and they'll have to file the names with the IRS under Form 990. And therefore, it will be very clear that Google is left-leaning and Google is funding left organizations. So what they do in 2018 is they take their foundation, which was funding the left organizations, and they dissolve it. They dissolve it and transfer millions and millions of their assets in dollars to another organization called Tides Foundation. Tides Foundation, I don't know how many of you have heard, recently unka naam aaya tha for funding pro-Hamas protests in US universities, right? That was Tides Foundation. It was one of the Western papers that had done this research, that it was Tides Foundation which was funding the pro-Hamas protests in US universities. Tides Foundation, majority of its funding comes from, of course, Mr. George Soros and other organizations like Rockefeller Foundation, so on and so forth. So Google dissolved its foundation and transferred millions of dollars to Tides Foundation. Tides Foundation has something called donor-advised funds. Donor-advised funds are essentially pools of money of millions and millions of dollars, and they don't have to disclose who they are funding exactly. Broadly, they, उनको जो पसंद आएगा वो अपने website पे डाल देंगे. But donor-advised funds are essentially anonymous funds.